the biggest problem has been the central banking and credit creation system to keep kicking the can down the road. And what it's done is it's made the baby boomer generation, because of their placement in the demographic cycle, the winners of this easy money, which really began after we took the U.S. dollar off the gold reserve and created infinite amounts of credit, and made the petrodollar, and unhinged it. So the home prices is kind of rising, is kind of an illusion, but it's a monetary illusion. So right now, the incomes that the youth are getting is not enough to pay the mortgages, and so prices have to adjust. And that's what's going on in China. They way overbuilt for their demographic population boom, which kind of stopped rising in 2015. But after the great financial crisis, they continued to build way more housing stock than their population could demand. Now they have 20 years of inventory. We're not as bad in the U.S., but prices do need to come down so that people can afford, and we can restart the cycle.